Hey, what's going on, guys? Sno Auto here. Yes, it's finally time to install my cold air intake. Now, there are a few things I've done ahead of time just to make this a bit quicker, a bit easier. I've already pulled out my air temperature sensor here. Now with these Hemis, oh my god, I'm gonna have a hell of a time trying to get this out, but I've already taken mine out. But to take all this out, first thing you're gonna want to do, take this little red piece here, pull that back. Just behind it, you're gonna have a little black kind of trigger here. Push down on that and pull. That should pop right out. Now, of course, yours will be inserted there. Mine taken out. So, for safety, and so I don't lose that part, I'm gonna click her back on for now. After detaching that, next thing you're gonna want to do, take out this bolt. It should just come out, of course, with a 10mm ratchet. And then last but not least, flathead screwdriver. Loosen up this clamp here, and then this should just come right off. And then from here, it should just pop right out. Wow, come on. Oh, wait. I also forgot. Feeding tube back there should also come out. There we go. Quick little tutorial on how to remove your stock airbox. Now, to put in the new one, you're actually going to need your nice little piece of hose here. We're going to take one of these off for now. That's what we're going to be doing. And take this, I'm going to slip it over. Now I'm actually going to flip this around as well. That way we can actually make sure this is screwed on tightly. So we're going to take this, I'm going to tighten it up, because we want that nice and tight for our intake. Then next, we're going to take our intake that is built. We going to take it, just gently kind of try and, I don't know what the word you guys would use, but I kind of just take a pipe here and try and shake that in there. Whoops. Just joking, we forgot actually to put our clamp on. That is my mistake. So before you start putting the airbox itself in, make sure you have that clamp over your piece here. Come on. Slip that on there. There we go. Then slip that in. Pop it in the bottom, top. Perfect. Now try and feel kind of where it is. Now this clamp, of course this clamp is on too tight with the pipe, so we need to loosen that up a bit. Put that there. Push the pipe back in. Make sure it's in all the way around. There we go. Take our screwdriver. Just gonna tighten that so it holds. Perfect. Now for I'm not experienced with, slip temperature sensor in. Okay. This is why I'm not experienced. This is why I'm not a professional, because that just popped into this. And yeah, I'm actually gonna have to take this off now. Alright, so here we have our little rubber part that we pushed in. Now, if that happens, I recommend you take it. You just push your part right there. Now for the hard part, just gonna be pushing it back into this. So, God, I'm making a lot of mistakes today. Come on, pop back in. It popped out easily. Come on. Come on. Okay, let's take it out for God knows how many times now. My recommendation when you're popping this in, yeah. I have a finger on the other side holding this so that it doesn't pop all the way through, because this is giving me trouble. Okay guys, so what I think I'm gonna do, I think I'm going to actually take the pipe off and install this, is I don't want to damage the rest of this. So let's see, screwdriver, where did I put you? There we go. Got our temperature sensor installed. Now let's attach it back to this. Now, we can finally actually put this all in. So, our pipe, slip it from the bottom, boom, there we go. Got our clip here, slip it over there so we can rotate it a bit, bring the clip up enough. Our screwdriver, just want to tighten this up now. The last thing we need is for this to come loose. Don't want to be sucking in any hot air either. I'm gonna rotate that. Gonna plug her back in when it feels like it wants to. There we go. Boom. Put our holder there. Next is our bolts and ratchet. We're just gonna go here. Make sure she goes the right way, which is right. Slowly just gonna start turning it. And it should. Okay. Is not coming out. Got our nice cold air intake in.